Whoa, it's an exploration day. And Edward and James are not invited because they're not swaggy. We're gonna go to a playground, Emily. Henry's here too. Let's have a race, guys. Oh, I'm obviously the fastest. Who do you think's gonna win? Emily, who do you think is gonna win with your no eyebrow face? Answer me. Just kidding, because I've already won, because I'm obviously the fastest.
Yeah.
Okay, Henry, are you prepared for this? Ooh, it's correct now. Let's go. Come on. So, to prepare for our journey, we're gonna need some snacks, because it's going to be a long hiking trip up to the playground. Oh no, look, it's a beast. Oh, it's so ugly. Oh, look at the little dog.
Oh, you have to get your own, Gordon.
I already ate mine. Say your Henry voice. Good job. Okay, let's go. Okay, our journey begins now. Henry, sing. It's not Christmas time, you fag. Emily, sing. Disqualified. Your singing's horrible. Look at that boat. I own that boat. Because I'm golden and I'm hardcore. Oh my god, it smells horrible here.
Stinks! Didn't Thomas and Percy go here last night?
Well, they didn't find our secret base. Laugh with me, Henry.
We do weed.
We do weed. Because we do weed. But yes, that is right. Us tender engines, except you said it because our scrubs, have a secret base.
Our secret base is the coolest.
You'll never believe it, but we're only taking you because you guys are special. You're our subscribers and haters. Who cares? I can punch the haters in the face.
We don't have hands.
You don't have hands. Your mother does not have hands, Henry.
Playground.
There's a playground over there. That must be the tank engines because it's small.
Yeah.
Emily, what do you have to say about our fort? Is it amazing?
Yeah, it's amazing.
Good. Okay. Loving the enthusiasm. Oh, someone's smoking. Oh.
Other way.
No. You guys, there was legitimately smoke over there. I'm not kidding. Oh my god, it's all around now. Emily, I'm gonna need your help, okay?
Yeah.
Stand in there. I got a pamphlet. Henry voice. I sell propane and propane accessories. Bobby. Okay.
I know how to
lucky
get
for us,
through.
we need this pamphlet,
Yeah.
okay? Look.
But wait.
You should have a credit card, but we can use this pamphlet instead. Beep. Okay, let's go.
Now we can get through.
Yeah. Whoa. Oh no, the police. Police tape the deck.
Don't worry.
Oh no. If they find our secret hideout, it's over there.
It only comes up if you swipe the credit card.
Yes, it only does that.
Without the credit card, nothing there.
Check out our secret base, guys. Knew it. I'm the king, so I so yeah. Henry, can you see me down there? Down there? No, the other hole. Come on. Wee. Ooh. Ah! Oh, I have no eyebrows. Ocean man, take me by the hand. Please go the man. No, you understand? Oh no. Someone has discovered our secret fort. Quickly, down the tube. No, we're already down in.
I'll catch you.
No. You'll never catch us. Move, guys, move. Hurry, on the secret table of secretness. They'll never know. High five, dude.
Yeah.
You're on set. Congratulations.
Yeah.
That was weird. Oh, no, he can't get us on the other side of the table. It's a force field. Haha, try this now, monster. It's a force field on this side of the table, where only tender engines can pass. And no monsters with glasses allowed.
Ow.
Shoo, scram! I think he's gone. Yay! Wait! Oh! Well, it's bearable.
No! Emily. My ears.
Ow! Give me my cold tender! I'll scream again! I have to bury this for the winter. Quickly, down this stupid sucky secret slide! No, you won't! Get to the chopper, the secret super chopper. It only runs on green tender engines. Oh, you're both sparable. Not the torture chamber! Ah! I'll save you.
Gordon, no. Hit you.
We'll have a swing set duel. First person mode. Okay. Ow. They're not my friends, they're my associates. Joke's on you. Swing set duel.
You'll never find them.
Okay, swing set duel. Whoa, that took a long time to find them. How fiend of you! Oh, no, running up the slide. I'll put a force field on the entrance. Bombs! They're stink bombs.
I have to get my shoe back.
Hey, whoa. No walking up the slide. Get back down and take the other route.
Oh.
You should be ashamed. You're grounded, mister. Grounded. Dun. Yeah, run away and never come back. Oh! Yeah, run away. Ketchup. I like ketchup. Guys, I just had a ketchup picnic. You wanna go home? Yeah. Okay!